Hello viewers, welcome to the Gadget World, and today we are going to unbox the iQOO Neo 6. Let me unbox this device, and this device has two variants, and today I am going to unbox the high variant. It is the model of i2202, RAM is 12GB, ROM 256GB, and the color is Cyber Rage. They are having two variants as 8GB 128 and 12GB 256. I am going to unbox today is the 12GB variant. Let me unbox and share my impressions next. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, so it will be really good to me. First tier has been completed. Next, yeah, just now the tearing has been completed. Let me open the device. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yeah, the Cyber Rage mobile is very awesome. And let me open this. Wow, the color seems like rainbow. Wow. Okay, let me see the accessories first, and next we got the IMEI and everything here. And next, yeah, we got the transparent case here, and this was very nice, and the silicone was very great. And next we have the important information on the warranty card. Next we have the start guide, and in every mobile box we are getting as manual this. And the next thing is the 1 minute. Let me unbox it. I think so it is not getting to come. Okay, this is a charging cable, and we got, yeah, this is a microphone to USB type C, and we got the SIM ejector tool. And next, this is the main important thing we need to know. As we know here, the input is, yeah, 11 volts, level 11 volts or 6 amp maximum, or 20 volts for, as we can count like 20 for so 2 for joy, like that. 80 watt fast charging, and this is the best thing I love. And the processor of the mobile is the 870 processor. I love that processor very much because it is the gaming processor. And next, let me boot the phone and I will tell you some impressions. Firstly, booting. Until boot, I want to tell you here, on the right side we got power button, volume rockers as up and down, and we got here microphone, and on the left side is nothing. And in the down we are going to get the SIM ejector tool, charging, and the speaker. I think so it has dual stereo speaker. Let me see and start. Okay, whatever it may be, and I'm skipping everything. And now let me set up offline, and I will skip everything because I need to show you the exact thing. And allow the SketchUp type and Fun Touch OS. Congratulations, your phone is ready to use now. I have tapped, and this is the interface. And let me show you the settings and about phone. As you know, it has Fun Touch OS, and it is named as iQOO Neo 6. And we are here, you can see that Snapdragon 870 octa core, 3.2 GHz processor, RAM 12GB plus, I think so. 1 minute. Yes, up to 4. Yeah, we can we have the extended 4 GB storage for this. And as you know, this mobile comes with Android 12 version. And as you know, this is a 5G mobile. Let me show you. Yes. Oh, network management. As I have not installed any sim, so it is showing like this. I think so. Here you can see, but I have not installed any sim yet. As you can see in the box, they have written 5G, so there will be no issue for that. And this is the unboxing, and I will make another video about the specs and everything. Until then, please do subscribe to the Gadget World. See you soon. And I have forgotten to tell you that this mobile has dual camera, triple camera, and one flash, and the iQOO symbol. The finish is very nice, and the Neo here, the symbol was very great. And we have display fingerprint, and we have front camera. And let me show you the sim ejection and how many sim slots and everything, because that is very important for us. Yeah, we can only insert 2 sims, and it has no micro SD card. And okay, it don't have 3.5mm jack, so they have given as the converter, so you can use that. And this is the unboxing, and let me share my impressions in the next video. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to the Gadget World, and see you in the next video.